Do you have some friends around here or something? I mean, for me to help you, you have to talk to me.
Grabe talaga. Nagdubli sikap na ngayon ang mga kampo ng kadiliman, mga kapatid. No? Pero iwan ko kung ito ba'y possessed, miyembro ng grupong Satanic Church, o may tupak lang. Ang target talaga niya na wawasakin ay ang tabernakulo.
Do you have some friends around here or something? I mean, for me to help you, you have to talk to me.
Giniba niya ang cross sa itaas na bahagi ng tabernakulo. May mga tattoo siya, no? Ito ang bahagi sa video nang pinuntahan siya sa pulis. Ilang bisis siyang patumba-tumba dito sa harap ng tabernakulo. At ang taong ito ay nagpakilalang siya daw si Jesus. Yan, pinutol niya ang cross. Ito'y napaka-banal para nating mga Katoliko dahil ito'y tabernakulo at nasa loob nito ang consecrated host na kinikilala natin sa doktrina ng simbahang Katoliko, tunay na katawan at dugo ng ating Panginoon. O yun, bigla lang na tumba. Lakas yun, ha? Lakas yun. Nang naputol niya ang cross sa itaas na bahagi sa tabernakulo. Yun, natumba. Ito'y video na sa pulis, no? Surveillance video niya to.
Hello, sir. Deputy Wolin to the Sheriff's Office. How are you?
I'm alright.
Okay, so what's going on today?
I just need to open this.
Okay. Well, we can't really do that. That's the church's property.
Gusto niyang wasakin ang tabernakulo. Kaya sabi ng pulis, di mo yan pwedeng gawin. Property yan ng simbahan. Ito. So, pagkatapos yan, di pa niya nagiba yung cross na nasa itaas na bahagi ng tabernakulo. Ito, bigla na lang siyang natumba. Sakit yun.
Okay. So how'd you end up here today?
Because I'm Jesus.
So, yun. Narinig ninyo, because I am Jesus.
Do you have some friends around here or something? I mean, for me to help you, you have to talk to me.
So, giniba na niya ang cross. Gabi ang pagsigaw niya dito, parang demonic posisyon na ito. inatake niya ang pulis. Kuhang-kuha sa surveillance camera.
Get back!
Yun, inaatake na naman niya ang tabernakulo. Tabernakulo talaga ang target niya.
20, key step up, 616, keep it over here.
Muli na namang natumba siya, no? Pangatlong bisis na to.
I got more people coming. He's on something.
Nangangailangan kasama yung pulis. Baka merong dalang armas ito.
How far out are you?
Tumba na naman siya. Ika-5 bisis na itong natumba sa harap ng tabernakulo.
Yeah, boy. So he's dove a couple, 3 times. He's fell backwards off the thing here. He's on something. Something or other. He ripped the crucifix thing off the top of the thing there. He just went and grabbed one of these things here and kind of came at me a little bit, but I shoved him off, and then he hopped back up there. So no, I haven't been able to get anything out of him whatsoever.
Stay away from me. What's going on, man? I'm Jesus Christ Almighty.
So get away from me. I'm Jesus Christ. So parang demonic possession na talaga ito.
Fuck you.
So imagine, meron pang masamang salita na sinabi niya.
Yeah, you're devil. No, we're not devil.
So yung kamay niya, no, parang Jesus crucified. He mocked the cross.
Not here, man. What's going on? Fire backing up, motherfucker. What's your name? I'm Jesus Christ Almighty.
So I'm Jesus Christ talaga.
Okay? Back up. Back up. What can we do to help? I'm Jesus Christ Almighty. Okay. Nobody else needs to fucking die for their sins, motherfucker. Okay, we need to. No.
Pagka-miyembro ito ng Satanic Church, no? At demonic possession na talaga.
Nobody else needs to die.
You are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back now.
No, I'm not.
Now. Yes, you are. You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back now.
Ito na naman. So ilang bisis na ito nangyari. So ito ng pagkakataon na siya ay pinusasan.
Hands behind your back now.
Sa ibang bansa ito, pero yung kordero na nilapastangan ang kordero ng Diyos, dito ito nangyari sa ating bansa.
Excuse me.
Put your hands.
No, you're not allowed to do this in here.
Put your hands behind your
You
back.
aren't allowed to do this in here. You aren't allowed to do this in here. You are not
Put
allowed.
your hands behind your back right now. You're gonna get
You are not allowed to do this to me.
She says you're not allowed. I say you're not allowed.
You're gonna get tased. Hands behind your
You're
back
gonna let me
now.
go.
Now.
You're gonna let me go so I can get to where I'm going, please.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let
You're
go.
under arrest.
I'm going there. I'm going there today, motherfucker. I'm going there today. I'm going there today.
Hands behind.
Grabe na talaga, no? Na real talaga ang digmaang espiritual. Meron tayong mortal na kalaban na di lang wawasakin at gigibain tayo habang buhay pa tayo kahit sa kabilang mundo pwede tayong gigibain. Napansin nyo ba na sa mga ganitong tao, Katoliko talaga ang inaatake nitong mga taong ito? Kahit na sa ibang mga sikta, Katoliko talaga ang kanilang inaatake. Pero din nyo marinig na tinutuligsa nila ang nagtatag sa simbahang Katoliko. Bakit? Dahil pag atakihin nila yung nagtatag sa simbahang Katoliko, mapilitan talaga sila sa pag-research o pangtingnan sino nga ba ang founder ng simbahang ito. At kung tingnan ang Gloria Encyclopedia Volume 5, page 106, Catholics term generally applied to the divine society founded by Jesus Christ and endowed by the outpouring of the Holy Ghost on the day of Pentecost, hence often called Roman Catholics.